Hi, my name is Catherine Pierce. I'm a 7th grade student here at Leestown Middle School, and I'm currently reading The Art of Racing the Rain by Garth Stein. So our library bought these starter pins with the book fair mini from last spring. This is what they look like, and this is what the ink cartridge looks like. We have lots of different colors. We actually have another red pin that someone is trying out right now. So one of the cool things that comes with these 3D pins are these silicone molds. We actually have two types. This big square one has the alphabet and numbers. All you have to do is trace over the letter or number that you want and pop it off and you have it. For these, you can do the exact same, pop it out, and then glue the pieces together using the 3D pin and make animals like this. I know these look weird, but these are little plastic templates where you can draw on them and cut to size and make stable buildings like this. And that just helps your creations stay together better. So the next thing that I have to show you are these half cylinders and rectangles, where all you have to do is trace on the inside of any of the shapes, pop it out, and you have a curved model of that shape. And finally, using these templates, you can pretty much make anything. So all you have to do is trace on the lines, and you can make things like mini solar system models, cats, octopi, anything you can think of. There you have it. These awesome new 3D Doodler starter pins are here in the library and ready for you to try out. And remember that anything that you buy from the library's book fair contributes to fun, cool things like this. Have a great day, Chargers.